So I just check out my office space for my business, you know what I'm saying? That's my office space right there, back there. This is what we gonna do. So that we're right here. I kinda like this for the business department, like, you know, got my little business schedule. You know, you sitting here, you're relaxing on your computer. You know, people that work for the label business office right here. We got the little, you know, sit down right here, you're on your computer and shit like that, handling business network. Got a little shot of this right here. I'm gonna do a little shot. Hold on 1 second. Take my other phone out. Let's do a shot right here. It's 7 o'clock. We got a dip right now. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. We got it. So we got this style right here, this one, and this office right here. This is mine. So I'm gonna order when I go to that right there, back there. It's my office space right here. I'm gonna show you guys. So we at company policy right here. This right here is like if you doing like scheduling department right here, it's like a little desk right here, like a little right here. Still wait for my studio right here, you know what I'm saying? So we good for like the studio office right here. So like the little spot right here, I'm gonna take a little snap of this. Hold on. Got my business phone right here. I'm gonna take a little snap of this shit. Hold on a second. So I outline how my business gonna roll up. It's my studio space right here. 1 second. I bought a dip because I gotta go take the bus right now. I'm gonna look at the fridge for my mother because since I'm in here, they used to have an IKEA over by Queens and they shut down over by Queens Boulevard. The fridge that my mom was looking at, IKEA sold for $2,000, but they don't have the fridge that my mom was talking about. But for the office, I could get a fridge though. See what we doing. We could get like a small fridge. Like right here, this is a fridge we could get for the office. So, this is good. 800? Yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good. For the office, yeah. Alright, we going dip right now because I gotta go. We gotta dip because I gotta get to the F train from here, so I gotta dip right now. Catch that bus. She enjoying herself. That's what I'm talking about. It's good to carry your kids to IKEA so they could enjoy themselves.
It's the best free playground in the city.
That's what I'm talking about. They shut the one down in Queens though. Yeah, the one they had one on Queens Boulevard. They shut it down like 3 years ago.
Why? Because everybody were bringing the kids?
Yeah. So now the one in Brooklyn, People coming here now instead of Queens. They shut it down. Yeah, that's right. All right, enjoy yourself. Have fun. So we're about to dip out to go to that train now. So let me go to the train. All right, ready? I'm gonna see you outside. Let me go outside real quick. All right, see you outside.